What's up, guys? Today I'm showing some special thing. Okay, so let's begin the show. First of all, guys, I show you a shotgun. Yellow color, black color, yellow color, and orange. Ha ha ha. How it's work? Turn, shoot. Nice toy shotgun. Another time. Turn and shoot. Nice shotgun. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Various color. Bullet. Pink color, green color, red color, yellow color. Okay, guys. Target. Paper target. Okay. Red, black, yellow, blue, white, black, blue, yellow. 100. This is 100, 100, 100. Knife. Pink color, green color, pink and green. Okay. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Then another shotgun. Muzzle, bezel, red color, black color, red color, silver color. How work it's turn and touch. Turn and touch. Turn and touch. This is a scent. See? Ring light. Wow. What a flavor. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye all guys. Mwah.